Oh, thank you. I know, I can't believe we won. I was so pleased with him, so pleased. It's a big competition, but end of the day, we beat Paul Dunning and we beat Terry Hill, and that's really what we were going for.
That shouldn't be hard, really. I mean, have you seen him?
Well,
But anyway, we won anyway.
Yeah.
We won anyway.
Yeah. We're lucky actually. We got him locally, didn't we?
Yeah,
Facebook.
Peter on Facebook.
Yeah.
Half hour away.
Yeah, amazing. Middle of nowhere. Absolute middle of nowhere.
It was. It was.
He said he saw us coming even though we were lost a few times. But
Yeah.
it's not.
We just asked him for a 6-year-old schoolmaster, jump 150. He had one in.
Funny, isn't it?
It's
Half
crazy.
an hour down the road.
Crazy.
You just wouldn't think it, would you? Wouldn't think it at all. But it was a bit touch and go because he failed the vet.
Yes. Yeah. But we bought him anyway.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. He had one good leg.
Yeah, he did. He did have one good leg. So
He's
white
quite fit. We haven't had to do much to him.
No. The 4 ears are a bit strange, but
I think he's quite cute.
yeah. But the dealer said he could hear the bell twice as quick as everyone else. So
Well, he's just one.
yeah, exactly.
So-
You know, what can you say?
It just goes to show he was honest.
Yeah.
Honest and genuine, I think.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But I'm glad we chose Peter Pan. His stable name's Jigsaw, bless him. But Peter Pan is his affiliated name now. We had 2 passports, so we had a European one and we had a Canadian one, so we went for the Canadian one.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's funny because he won't like carrots or anything, will he? He likes
No,
pine cones.
I know pine cones. But then the judge with the she
She liked him.
did like him. And there's an older lady offered decent.
Oh, we're not selling him.
No.
We're not selling him.
How could we?
We can't find another one like that.
After that, how could we?
Dear me. No. And he's so easy. So
Yeah,
easy
he
to
is.
handle.
Yeah. And catch. Easy to catch. Well, you know.
After the first 3 hours, he's alright.
Yeah, he's alright. Once you've got him, he's easy to catch.
Yeah. Not
Yeah.
quite so easy to put on the lorry, but we've got a
No.
little one. I
Yeah.
think he might be better in the bigger one.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll just have to give it a try
Yeah.
and see how it is.
Absolutely.
But yeah, he's quite sweet. I'm not sure Megan likes him too much.
No, I think she likes him. What can you not like?
It's summer season, and he's going to have to put a pair of shoes on him.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're going to put the studs.
No. He's only got one sock. But the shoeing should be. Because I got it. Yeah. That's what we like. Just really dandy, really. You know. But do you fancy a cuppa?
Yeah, I'm quite hungry actually. Can we get something to
Let's
eat?
go.
Okay. What a pair of idiots.